Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another video, and today's video is actually going to be for all of the Call of Duty cheats that I sell. Now, eventually I'm going to branch out into different kinds of cheats for video games, not just Call of Duty, but this is for Call of Duty and how to pay using cryptocurrency. A lot of people do not know how to do this, so this is kind of my quick tutorial on how to do it. So first things first, you can use any crypto provider that you would like, any exchange or app or whatever you have in your country. I know a lot of people have different kinds, but here in the US, and it seems like a lot of different countries, you can go to buy.moonpay.com, and you'll see the screen pop up here, and it is like currency, Bitcoin. You can hit this arrow right here, and it'll drop down a menu like this. And you've got different kinds that you can pay with, but I do prefer Litecoin over everything else. It's just a lot better in my opinion, way lower fees and whatnot. So go ahead and hit the LCT Litecoin, and this is a pre-filled amount, so that's not actually how much you'll be paying. If you hit backspace on there, it'll have you enter the amount. Now this is in US dollars, so I'm talking a little bit fast right now, but this is in US dollars. So basically, if you type in an amount that's too small, such as 22, it's going to say the minimum transaction amount is $30. Luckily, my prices, they start at 30, so that's not a problem really. So if you put 30 in there, you'll see Litecoin price is this, but the you get is what you want to pay attention to. So 0.204 Litecoin. So that's what you're going to be looking at. That's actually what you're buying. You're not buying $147 worth. You are buying $30 worth. So go ahead and hit continue, and it's going to ask for the LTC wallet address. Now the wallet address is going to be on the Discord server. You can go to the Discord server. You can type in !info all together as one command and go ahead and enter. And it's going to come up with different addresses. If you want to send Ethereum, you will send it to this address. If you want to send Litecoin, which what we're doing, click on this, copy it. But if you want to do Bitcoin, if that's like all you have, you can send it, but I don't recommend that. I would much rather prefer Litecoin over everything else, as I mentioned earlier. So go ahead and copy the address there, go back to here, and paste it. And then once you have this address in here, click on continue. And it's going to have you sign up and go through a process. So you'll put your email in there, and then after you put your email in there, it may ask you to verify your ID. That is completely normal. So after you've done that whole process, it'll come up with a screen, and the screen will say something along the lines of delivering your crypto now, or purchasing crypto, or exchanging crypto, or something like that. Like, it'll take a little while. Usually it's within 2 hours that it gets delivered to me, usually a lot sooner, usually within like 30 minutes to an hour. So what you'll do is type in your email here. It may ask for some other information, but you'll keep hitting continue, and then you can pay using a card and I think a bank too. But once you've done that, it'll send the crypto to me, and all you gotta do is send a screenshot that you've sent payment. I'll verify it on my end, and that's pretty much it. You know, that's how you pay with cryptocurrency. If you guys have any questions about this, let me know by contacting me on Discord, and I will help you with it. But this video mainly is just a quick rundown on how to do it, so that way I can just kind of put it on the server and you guys can check it out and see how to do it. But with all that being said, guys, thank you for watching, and yeah, this is how to pay with crypto for the cheats. Now, of course, if you want to buy anything higher price, just put the price in there. But like you just saw, the minimum amount is 30. Now, the 30 amount could change over time. It does depend on what are called gas fees. In cryptocurrency terms, it's basically something that it shifts up and down depending on how busy the market is. But right now it's at 30, and that's good enough for me. 30 is what I'm charging for the majority of the mods that are pretty cheap. If you're not buying a tool, then 30 should be just fine. I do give deals for the tool prices, so I know that if you go to the Discord server and you go to prices, there will be a few different prices here, but these prices I can work with you guys. If you don't have 100, I know 100's a little bit high. I can drop it down to like 50, or maybe even 40. But I will ask that you guys, get people to come to my Discord server. Share the word. Basically, just get the word out there that I'm selling these cheats for everybody. That way we can get some more good reviews going in the vouchers server and whatnot. So. But with all that being said, guys, thank you for watching. I'm going to end the stream here, or end the recording, actually. I've got OBS up right now, so... Yep. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So, catch you guys in the next one.